Oh, there's a little guy, German Shepherd there along our walk. He's got a lot of energy. He wants to be out walking too. Come on, Smush, let's keep going. Oh, he's gonna bark a little bit. Look at that tree branch there, spanning all the way. Oh, there's the doggy. He's one. Let's keep going, Smush. Today is a pretty nice day out. It's almost like a perfect temperature. It rained last night, and Smush and I are getting his walk in. I gotta travel with some friends, family, so Smush has got to spend the day by himself today. But we're getting